So here we have a question, 6 plus 18 divide 3 multiplied 2 minus 4. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, and here addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question, one addition, one division, one multiplication, one subtraction. First we have to solve multiplication and division, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. In multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, so is equal to 6 plus, now 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 multiply 2 minus 4. Now here is one addition, here is multiplication, here is subtraction. So first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. So 6 plus, now 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12 minus 4. Now addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. Okay, so 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 minus 4. Now 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. So the correct answer is 14. Okay.